Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check your IKEA family card points. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in IKEA.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, and your account. The search bar, and in the top right corner we have everything about your own profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check your IKEA family card points. So to check your IKEA family card points, follow these steps. Log into your account and visit the IKEA website, or open the IKEA app and log into your IKEA family account. So for that you'll need to go and have not a regular account, but you need to go and have a family account. Your IKEA family account is here. You can go and click on it there. Then navigate to your profile. Once logged in, go to your profile section. Check out points balance. Look for the points balance or your rewards section. Here you can see total points and any available discounts. So basically when you click here, you can go and check it out there. Your points and everything, as you can see. Then guys, view points history. For more details, you can check the history tab to see how and when you earned your points. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.